How you doing? Rick from Primeval Auto Restoration. Today we're just going to show you around the vehicle that we've just got in. Bit of story with this one. It's a catering van that we've just had in. The woman's had it done probably a year ago now. It's a brand new build, and within 3 weeks the customers started noticing a lot of bad issues going on. We've had delamination, we've got a lot of rust coming through, a lot of water ingress in panels that have been bonded on. So we'll take you through and show you what we've got. We'll point out some of the major trouble that we're having in this vehicle, and we'll give you a nice shout out. Right, this is one of the first sort of problem areas that we noticed as soon as it come in. All of this we could see through the paint. There was a lot of micro blisters and micro cracks coming up. Now, when we started to bare metal it, as you can see, all of these were made individually and welded together like a patchwork quilt. Not fully welded, lots of spot welds, which isn't necessarily wrong, but the preparation step afterwards was. There's a lot of pinholes. I don't know if you can come in closer and see here. There's lots of holes in the welds. There's lots of, like that, you get water ingress and condensation from the back, which was causing micro blistering. And there was so much body filler on this, the body filler had actually blown off and had water puddled behind it. Sections of the windscreen just made up out of offcuts. And again, if the preparation was done better, you'd get away with it. But there's just so much body filler, no chemical etch primer in places, and it's just caused a lot of Right, you've just seen a short clip of one of these panels already bonded to the vehicle, and you'd have noticed all the cracks around it. The reason that had happened is they'd only spot welded it on, and around the edge they just put loads of body filler, which condensation building up with the void in the back has obviously made it all blow and rust. Again, there's another hole here, so that would have got condensation in from the back and filled with water. So that has happened on, I'd say, 15 to 20 of these, so we've had to take them all off. And when we come to put them back on again, we're going to chemical bond them to the vehicle, so there's no void, no cavity that can get condensation in there, so we're going to completely eliminate that. The reason we're going to chemical bond these on is the vehicle inside is fully kitted out. It's got tiles on the wall, the void behind here has got insulation in it, so we've got to be very, very careful with what welding we do. So for this, it's going to be a chemical bond. Right, what you're looking at now is problem number 3. All of these panels that have been built have just been butted together. When this came in, it had just been laminated with fiberglass, and the fiberglass wasn't done correctly. It was just pushed into body filler, so the material was dry, no resin in it. So what we're going to have to do with this is we're going to use the new modern panel bond, which is specifically for this, in areas that you can't weld. So we'll completely fill that seam and all these cuts and make that one solid structural piece again. Right, and this one is just laziness really. There's a big void behind that, so there is no reason that that couldn't have been fully welded, which is what we will be doing. Again, that was just bridged with fiberglass pushed into body filler. Right, here we're looking at the back of the vehicle with many problems. We'll start off with these dark patches. These are where all those panels was welded on, but had rusted quite bad on the back here. So we put a rust treatment on here at the moment, which is just going to highlight all the problem areas. When we come to prep the back, we'll linish all this off, prepare the metal for proper rust treatment and putting it back. And then, I don't know if you've noticed from there, but the door has completely dropped, won't even shut. With these hinges, all they've done is just spot welded on bits of tube with a pin through, and that one's completely dropped. And this is a brand new build, it's not. Again, you would have just seen another little clip where the mains electric supply absolutely full of water. So, another problem.